Good afternoon, everybody. We are back. We are here. We are ready to go. It is 31 degrees outside right now. Cloudy, nasty, rainy. We got Chris first in the chat. What's going on, Chris? Arthur! Hey, you. Hey, you. Hey, you. Arthur, man, thank you very much for the super chat. Absolutely appreciate that. Arthur, Chris, is it time? I had to buy the sticker. There you do. Yep. Maybe Arthur may have been in here first. Sending that super sticker nice and early. Love it, Arthur. Paul Wright, what's going on, Paul? Chris, Arthur, Wana is first in the chat. Yes, Wana is first in the chat. Yeah, I'm calling it. Wana's first. Wana, what's going on? So glad Wana's back today. Everybody, what's happening, Tim? Tim, next level. Good afternoon, Nick F. The franchise, Lyman Dave, Hold Rounder, franchise, 775. Chris Boy, what's going on? Jay Bones, we got Dark Bro, Lucky Thoughts, franchise, and Pat. Windy as heck here in Southern Ohio. It is windy, dude. It's windy, cloudy, nasty, rainy. It is a bad day in Ohio today. Gloomy, my friends. It makes you want to say. Makes you want to do that, but you can't do it for very long or you're going to get demonetized on the live stream, and nobody wants that. Let's check the market out and see what's going on here, because my good old buddy Jerome Powell, my goodness, Jerome Powell providing some gains this afternoon. I bet Bronson was buying some QQQ calls today, and he probably went out there and 20x'd his money. So AMC still ending down on the day, $7.24. It is down 2.56% on the day today, but nonetheless bouncing off these lows after Jerome Powell's speech here. The Shiba Inu coin sitting up 2.48% at the moment, 931 points per coin. GameStop closing the day up 2.11%, sitting at 2614. Bitcoin running up nicely after Jerome Powell's speech there and sitting sideways all afternoon now. Very similar to this run-up that we had last night. Where's it at? Run-up last night. Nice. And then sitting sideways all day today. So Bitcoin trying its best to get a leg up, but could be. We're gonna put a little line right here, guys. We're gonna put this little line right here. If it breaks back down below this line, we may see a curl back over and potentially try to retest the supports on the day today. So we'll be watching this little line right here. Very strong level of support after the intraday gains we've had because of the Jerome Powell speech. So we'll keep an eye on that. Nonetheless, look at these gains here. The NASDAQ gaining a stinking 4.41%. I gotta see the options on the QQQ here. I said he 20x'd his money. The dude might have 40x'd his money. So let's watch that and let's take a look at that in a second. Biora Therapeutics closing the day down 2%, 24.5 cents per coin. AMC 724, Ethereum, Shiba, Bitcoin, and Doge. Move those around. Yeah, Doge and Bitcoin all up on the day. Sitting up around 3% right now, and Bitcoin could be ticking back up. Doesn't seem like it might want to retest down there. We might be ticking back up at the moment, so we'll keep our eyes on that too. Sundial, $2.71 today. Mullen Auto, 19 cents. CEI, 10 cents. SPY closing at 4.0, stinking 7, a 3% gain there. BBIG closing at 67 cents. Highcroft Mining, 72 cents. Netflix, 305. My goodness. Netflix bouncing 8.75% today. Netflix, wow, Netflix having a really nice day today. Netflix jumping all the way up to 305.50 at the close, 305.57 after hours. Terra Luna Classic, 16,389. QQQ, 293. 4.5% gains. My gosh. Ape closing the day at 98 cents today, bouncing off the 90-cent lows. Ape having a very difficult day, but jumping 10% at the end of the day here. Man, Ape, absolutely wild behavior. No shares being traded, absolutely low volume, no ticks whatsoever. I want to know, is Ape dead? Did the Ape die, guys? This action right here is, I mean, that's a pathetic stock. Like, look at this. There's just no way around that. That's pathetic. What do you guys think about this action on Ape? Let me know. Be brutal if you want to be brutal. As I go out, I got to see these. I got to see these call options here. Cosmos closed at 59.5 cents today, and it's down to 58 cents after hours. Just down slightly, but pulling back pretty heavy off those highs yesterday, around 88 cents. QQQ, let's see the calls on the QQQ today. Options, calls. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Look at these gains. Look at the 290 calls. Oh my gosh, man. These were trading at a penny. These were trading at a penny. This is real life. I was ignoring the chat for a second. Sorry about that. We are coming back to say, Patrick, thank you very much for the coffee. Thank you very much for the coffee. Thank you very much for the coffee. Thank you very much for the coffee, Pat, dude. Thank you very much for the authorized hydration, man. Absolutely loving the franchise. 45-mile-an-hour gusts here in Central Ohio. Dude, getting ridiculous, man. 45-mile-an-hour winds is wild. Yeah, dude, don't let your basketball hoop fall over on your car, man. That would be a bad idea. Pat, dude, thank you very much for the super chat. Absolutely loving it. John J. So I was ending up all my gains for the year in Shiba Inu, and I do have enough to supersize my order. John J. Nice, dude. Markets can't fool me. At first a pump, then a dump of a lifetime. Adam Aaron is a-hole, and his ape is trash. J-Bones! Yeah, I agree, dude. Ape is getting trashed. Ape is getting trashed for sure, man. What the heck? All-rounder. What the heck? And I don't even know. So 10% of us here, I think 10% of us here are in Ohio. It's very strange, man. Everybody lives in Ohio, but we don't hang out. I don't know why. Never been to Ohio, but I like their potatoes. That's Idaho, dude. That's, oh my God, this guy. Idaho potatoes, man. Click. I think if it wasn't long before we were forcefully blessed with ape, the ape started being tempted with other fruits, and now everyone wanting bananas when it's bear season. Think ape was probably the nail in the coffin. Hey, very well could have been, man. Very well could have been. I do know a lot of people were wanting bananas on other trees, I guess you could put it. Wanting to move from tree to tree, swinging around, and grabbing the fruit on other branches. And I completely agree with that. But, dude, the bear market, everybody's dying for a banana right now. Everybody so desperately needs some sort of a gain. Please, look at this, dude. This is blowing my mind right now. These call options are blowing my mind right now. These were at a penny. This is more dangerous than the crypto market. Like, this is real. This is real life here. These were at a penny. Earlier today, before the Fed speech, this was 12:55. Okay? This was 1 o'clock. Fed starts talking around this area. 3 o'clock in this area right here. 3:30. Or 1:30. 13:30 here. A penny, dude. Which most likely means that you were buying them for 2 cents or 3 cents. But regardless. A penny to $2.79 right now. Oh my God. Dude, 270x'd your money. In 3 hours. In 3 hours. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. 270 extra money in 3 hours. Dude, you take $100, you're sitting on what, 20 grand? Almost 30 grand? Wow. Wow. Dude, absolutely insane. 27 grand is what you should be sitting on. I can't even look at that right now. Those types of gains are stupid money. Tim, somebody did say banana. You know what to do with a banana, Tim. You peel that banana, you tilt the head back a little bit, you lick that banana, and you stick that banana. Thank you very much, Tim, for the super chat. Absolutely loving that. Have a banana, Clay. You'll feel... Oh, we will. Patrick, it's a double banana type of day, man. You take another banana, you tilt the head back a little bit, you keep that eye contact going, you lick it, and you stick it. Oh, thank you very much, Patrick, for the banana, and thank you very much, Tim, for the other banana. Absolutely love it, guys. Also, why are people saying Graham7 is a scammer? Get about what you were saying earlier about the YouTubers, and I like what he says. Don't see how he's scamming. So I did not look. There's actually been some videos out there. This one video I saw earlier had 1.5 or 2.5 million views, and this guy's got like 70,000 subscribers, right? What I think is happening right now, I did not watch the whole video. I started to watch the video, but Graham Stephan, Meet Kevin, you know, myself included, I had affiliate links for Voyager way back in the day. And Andre Jick and some of these other guys that are bigger finance YouTubers, right? They talk about a lot of things. They've got multi-millions of subscribers. I think Graham Stephan's got like 4 million. Andre Jick about 2. Meet Kevin 2 or 3. You know, multi-million subscribers. And because they were promoting some of these companies that are going bankrupt, they act like these guys knew what Sam Bankman-Fried was going to do. They act like they knew that he was going to steal from them. I'm going to tell you right now, unless they're directly in contact with these guys, which they're probably, you know, they've probably got an email with some sort of a PR person at these companies, and some sort of an affiliate manager or a marketing manager, an influencer manager, or something like that emails back and forth with them. They don't know what's going on inside the company. All they see is, okay, man, I've got this affiliate link. I can use this company. This company looks good to me. And if I get people to sign up to it, they're going to be able to use it, and I get a $10 kickback or whatever for these people signing up. That's all these guys know, man. That's all these guys know. Same with, oh, God, what's the quarterback's name? What's that quarterback's name? Played for the Buccaneers. It's getting in trouble for Sam Bankman-Fried now. Tom Brady. Same with Tom Brady, man. And people act like Tom Brady knew what was going on with FTX and should be in trouble for promoting them. All these guys see is, okay, I do a little commercial for you and I get paid for doing an advertisement. That's the extent of it. And people are saying that one of these other companies, I wish I could. I don't have it open. Did I look at it here? No, I don't know who that dude was that posted that video now. But talking about another company that may be scamming people. Don't go chasing waterfalls, folks. Never, Arthur. Never. Can I just go cry now? Dark Bro, never go cry, man. Never go cry. Yeah, stick to the rivers and the lakes that you're used to. Jay Bones, man, good advice. Long-term retirement portfolio closed the day at a whopping 1.18%, and all options are out of the money right now. Nice, man. Which is good because you're selling those options. Hello, Danelle. What's going on, Danelle? Hi, guys. Mark Rally is Wall Street is a big trap. Very well could be, man, but a lot of people are saying the bull market is here. The people so desperately want a bull market that they're claiming the bull market is here already, just based on what Jerome Powell was saying today. Tom Brady, 775, we got. That's what it was. What's up, bros? It's been a minute on being able to catch a live stream. Gregory Lawson, so glad you're in here, dude. It has been a minute. Where have you been, man? Act like you've been busy. Come on. Never get too busy for the bros, Gregory. Never get too busy for the bros. You guys can see we're coming back down to retest this line. We knew this line was going to be support right here. I want to see... where are we at here? I think it's KCN. I don't even know what coin that was now, darn it. I don't even know what coin it was. Who the heck knows? I personally emailed Claybro to tell him in late November 2022 he plans to embezzle $600 million. Oh, I wish, man. I wish. Look, I don't even know if I'd be on board with that, but if somebody was like, hey, Claybro, I will give you $600 million to promote my link, even though I'm going to do bad things. With my size audience, dude, I could easily make that right. There would probably be like 40 people who ended up signing up for it since, what do you say, Nah, dude, if you email me in late November, I'd probably have like 4 people. So yeah, I would take $600 million. I would take a little bit of a bribe to have 4 people sign up for FTX, and I could easily make it right with them for the $600 million. So SBF, man. If anybody else out there wants to bribe me, you can bribe me, dude. Whoever signs up for the link, I'll definitely make it right with you. But unfortunately, no, he did not email me. I did not get any information on that, and I was left out of the loop once again. Darn it. I'm new to the crypto. How to tell a bull market is here? Everything been in. Special up. We can talk about that in 2 seconds, man. Right after I say, Jeff Patrick. Thank you very much for the Claybro. Happy Hump Day fund. Happy Hump Day to you as well, Patrick. Happy Hump Day to you, man. Look at this. This is a crazy piece of hair right here. Gotta push that over there. Pat, dude, thank you very much for the super chat. So, special ed, man. There's a lot of different things that you can look at to determine whether or not a bull market is here. Let me say this, that timing a bull market perfectly is not going to be anything other than luck. If you're trying to look for the bottom of a market, what you need to end up looking for are indicators that the market has already started growing. Now, these things that people typically look for in the stock market and will transfer over to a crypto market. Inflation, earnings, and interest rates. Inflation, earnings, and interest rates all affect stock prices, company performance, and therefore whether or not people have the money to spend it on stock prices, crypto prices, and so on. So what you want to see ideally are low interest rates, low inflation rates, and high company earnings. And even on top of that, decreasing interest rates, decreasing inflation rates, and increasing earnings. It's nice if they're remaining steady, yes, but if earnings are growing and the others are low, that is a perfect case scenario. A perfect case scenario, however, does not indicate the bottom. It indicates that you are in a bull market. It's very difficult to time the bottom, which is why a lot of people tend to go for a dollar cost average approach. Doesn't matter what the market's doing. You're just going to pretend it's your bank account and you're going to continue throwing money into it, knowing that over time it does tend to go higher than lower. So right now, dude, we've got the exact opposite. We've got high interest rates and they're increasing. We've got high inflation rates potentially decreasing. You know, we've got a couple months of data that show that they've been decreasing over a couple months, but they're still very high. And earnings reports. You know, I haven't looked at the S&P 500 average earnings in a while, but they're not doing well because the inflation and interest rates are rising and companies are beginning to lay people off as well. Which Mr. Simon was not in here today. Has anybody talked to Mr. Simon? He was not in the afternoon live stream yesterday, and I know people were getting laid off at his company yesterday. So has anybody talked to Mr. Simon in the last 24 hours or seen him in the Discord or anything? I want to know how he's doing. I want to make sure that everything's cool with him. So those are the things that you can look at. Timing a bottom is going to be very difficult, but you know you're in a bull market when that happens. Other things that can lead to a bull market, cheap money. Okay, you get cheap money when interest rates are low, and your money's worth more when inflation rates are low. You can spend more to get more, and you can borrow more for basically nothing when inflation interest. That's what you like there. But if the government starts printing and giving people free money again, if they start to talk about, remember that everybody in 2020, 2021 was talking about UBI, the Universal Basic Income, giving everybody $2,000 checks because nobody deserves to have less than $2,000, even if you don't work or do anything per month. If they ever start anything like that, that could be a very, very, very strong indicator that people are just going to go recklessly spend it, buy up cryptocurrencies, buy up stocks, and then it's going to have a nice rally again until inflation kicks in and we see how bad that it really is. So what do we got here? Rich! Oh, man. Please, guys, 46 of you, welcome Rich to the chat right now. Rich did say he was going to be joining us on Wednesday, and here Rich is, man. Rich, grabbing that green name. Looks beautiful on you, man. I want to see 46 of you guys in the chat. I know I already see him coming in the chat right now, but please, guys, make sure to say a very warm welcome to Rich out there, even if you don't type in the chat. Typically, if you don't type in the chat, do it for Rich, man. Let this guy know that we appreciate the fact that he's got that green name out there. In other news, 45,000-year-old zombie virus found. Is that true news or fake news, man? I don't even know if this is true or fake news anymore when they find this stuff. They probably would say, oh, yes, we have found this 45,000-year-old zombie virus, and it came out of the carcass of one of the tombs in Egypt, and the plague is beginning all over. Like, I would not be surprised if they tried to pull some of that stuff and say that's what's going on right now. If you bought Bitcoin on 1/13/2015, that would have been near the bottom. If you bought Bitcoin on 1/13/2019, that would have been near the bottom. If you buy Bitcoin on 1/13/2023, ooh. Okay, so let's see this here. I actually don't know. This is interesting because what did it look like in 2013, old rounder? This is interesting. I wanna look at this for a second here. I might need to go out to CoinMarketCap instead of Webull to get a little bit more data here. But let's go down this rabbit hole for a second, guys. Let's go down this rabbit hole for just a second. Okay. Forget all this new data. August of 2013, end of 2013. Hopefully you guys can see this. Yeah, you guys can see this. End of 2013, Bitcoin, God, dude, $90. End of 2013, Bitcoin runs up. Touches $1,000. End of 2013. Man. I remember, I think it was in this period of time right here. It could have actually been earlier. I remember not investing in Bitcoin at $400. $400 a coin. I remember not investing in Bitcoin. Runs up to $1,000. End of 2013. 2015, January, I'm showing 14th, whatever. Shows a bottom. $176, $178, $177 here. Okay. This is end of 2013, a full year of declines. Bottoms out. Okay. I like it. We run up to 2017. End of 2017 runs up to a high. A full year takes place. Full year takes place through 2018 here. I'm looking at the low on CoinMarketCap's right here. Looks like, but January, okay, January of 2019, full year of declines in 2018, and we've got a near bottom. Okay, I see. And then what do we got here? We run up. End of 2021. We're starting to hit these all-time highs again. Full year of bear market through 2022. Hey, man, if the bear market in 2015 and the bear market in 2014, if the bear market in 2014 and the bear market in 2018 is anything like the bear market that we're seeing right now, Old Rounder is going to be correct. We are going to bottom around, January sometime. Nobody's going to time the bottom perfectly, right? But both of those time frames previously, now that doesn't mean that you spiked back up, okay? I want to point that out. But both of those time frames bottomed around a 1 full year, maybe like a 13, 14, 15 month bear market. January tending to be at or around the bottom following that year of bear market. But I do want to point out, okay, that if you were getting in 2019, January of 2019 here, it's not like you started to spike up, okay? You did have another year of stagnation here. And if you were getting in 2015 in this bottom, it's not like you just spiked right back up. It took another year to get back up to those highs around $1,000. It took to the beginning, all of 2015 and 2016 to start slowly trending higher. And then the rally began. You had some stagnation for 2 years. And then the rally began. So, although we may see some sort of a bottom in January here, doesn't guarantee there's the bottom, right? I know you guys are smart enough to know that. But we may see a stagnation or an accumulation period of 1 year if the previous bear market cycles remain true this bear market cycle. And then look at this rally. Guys, just look at the difference here. Look at this rally in 2015. Jumping from $100, 10xing to a little over $1,000 per coin. Running to $20,000 per coin. Running to $70,000 per coin. This next one, maybe it does bottom at 10. Maybe we do have one more leg down and we bottom at $8,000, $9,000, $10,000 on Bitcoin. Running where? The previous ones went from 1,000 to 20,000 to 70,000. Do you hit $250,000? Do you hit $250,000 on the next bull market for Bitcoin? And if you do, that's a 25x gain. Roughly 25x if it bottoms out and does come lower in January there. So you might have that 1 year accumulation phase, but Old Rounder definitely correct on those bear market cycles for Bitcoin there. Old Rounder, I like it, man. Patrick, thank you very much for the super chat. Pat says, quick, I'm from the future, and I have it on good authority that FTX is going to tank. Wait a minute. Oh, need a new time machine. By the way, your $600 million is in the mail. Unsigned, of course. Perfect, man. I will be waiting to see that come there. Patrick, thank you very much for the super chat. Absolutely love it. And your time machine was just a couple days off, man. Just a couple days off. If you would have come back like 2 weeks ago, man, we'd all be rich right now. We could have shorted the crap out of FTX, and we would have made millions, man. Millions. Pat, dude, fine-tune that time machine and please come back again and let us know either what the next exchange is or where the bottom of the cryptocurrency market is, and we will thank you forever. Me and my Pepperidge Farm remember buying Bitcoin out of an ATM machine in a little gas station in Cleveland for $5 a coin. Oh, the good old days. Oh my gosh, dude. Now, I wasn't into Bitcoin at $5, but that would have been wild, man. That would have been wild. And you know what? I don't think that Bitcoin's the only coin that's ever going to achieve a $1 trillion valuation. I think that other coins can as well. That's why, stacking up and just waiting is a very good approach in the cryptocurrency market. My gosh, dude, Bitcoin from $5 to $50,000. What a gain that would have been. Is that a 10,000x gain? Oh my gosh, man. 10,000x gain would be nuts. Danelle, are you leaving? See you, Danelle. Be good, be safe, and be happy. Danelle, enjoy your afternoon. Thank you very much for being in here and trying to kill us. See where it didn't work. Now it's something else. Yeah, dude. It's always gonna be something else, though. always. So, what's going on, Melamambas? How you doing? Listen, Jackie is, you got a bad last name, man. Bad last name. Dark Bro, jokes on that. Zombieing through life for decades. Nice, man. Well, dude, if you're just going through the motions, yes, you technically are zombieing through life. I'll send it to you via time machine. Pat, perfect, man. That's exactly what I wanted to see. Time travel, really, time travel is one of the things in life that stresses me out. He got the plutonium from the Ukraine. I don't even know if you can say that kind of stuff on YouTube without getting flagged or anything. But he got it from them, and that's why he was a day short. Dang it, man. Dang it. I don't know where the best place to get plutonium is, but that doesn't sound like a good place, man. Sounds like you need a new place to get your plutonium. Is LUNC bullish? DRB Arco, man. Yeah. Yeah. It is bullish, dude. Right now, though, it's being affected too much by the entire market. And the entire market is not necessarily bullish yet. We did have a very good day today. You know, Jerome Powell inspiring investors, so that's a good sign. But until the bull market returns, man, I think that it's, you know, it can be a bullish project. It can have bullish things going on and building during the bear market. But when you want the bullish price action, you need to look at more than just what the coin is doing. And you need to look at how the market is doing. Market's in a tough spot right now. Cassie! Thank you very much for the member chat. Cassie says, wow, another month. It flies by. I'm telling you, it goes way too fast. Cassie, thank you very much for being a bro for 17 months. Absolutely love it. Cassie's up there with the big boys. 17 months is the highest one. I don't know if anybody hit 18 months yet. So, Cassie, thank you very much for that. Absolutely appreciate that 17-month-old green name. Hoorah! Sold all my Bitcoin for $125 a piece to buy a pickup. Almost BTC pizza guy, but at least I still have the truck. Tim, exactly, man. And you know what? Nobody knew. Nobody knew. And nobody knows, right? Nobody knows. You know, I sit here and say Shiba Inu coin's not going to go to $1. Nobody knows what tomorrow brings. The world might be in some sort of an Armageddon war, and Shiba Inu coin does go to $1 tomorrow. Nobody knows what's going to happen. But, yeah, Tim, that is the... You still did great, though, dude. You still got a truck. You know what I mean? It's not like you sold your truck to buy Bitcoin, and then it's done nothing but go down. It's not like you sold your truck, and then now you've got nothing to show for it. You bought a truck with your gains, dude, and that's absolutely amazing, man. It's absolutely amazing. Congrats, Cassie. Dang, Tim. Marty McFly, I got it from the Iranians back on Back to the Future. Did he really? See, I don't even know. Cassie, 17 months, one of the OGs. Yes, Cassie is definitely an OG. Rich is like, shoot, I'm going for 17 months now. Nice, Rich, this is the beginning and the end, man. We've got Cassie and we've got Rich in here. One of the first and one of the last bros. Thanks, everybody. I got a few days to get to that. Rich, you do, man, but you'll be there. Trust me, dude. It'll be sooner. Hey, by the time Rich gets, okay, let's get your guys' guesses out there. By the time Rich hits 17 months, I would imagine all of our portfolios are going to be sitting on some sick gains. I imagine a bull market has to be coming by the time 17 months hits. Patrick! Have a drink on... Oh, that's for Cassie. I'll take one for Cassie. Thank you very much for the Super Chat, Pat. Ooh, Super Chat, Pat. I like it, man. Thank you very much for that. Cassie, you're also allowed to have some of that authorized hydration there, but I'm taking it as well. Pat, dude, thank you very much. Heck yeah. Rich, dude, we're gonna remember that. Rich, I may not specifically remember that it is you who we will be looking at in 17 months from now. So you are required to remember this. You will have to update us, and you will have to say, do you remember when you said 17 months, when I hit 17 months, we're going to be at a sick portfolio with major bull market gains? And I'll be like, yes, I forgot that was you, but I do remember saying that. And we're going to have to assess the market when you hit 17 months, Rich. So please remember it, and please remind me. You can put a reminder on your calendar right now if you want for 17 months out. November 30th. No, that's not 17 months. Gosh, I don't even know what day what month that would be. Like my birthday, right? No, that's 16 months. That's 12. No, it's 17 months, I think. Yeah, either my birthday in 2024 or a month before my birthday in 2024. Nobody knows. Bro, the fact that I knew what Bitcoin was years ago but couldn't buy it because I was a kid almost makes me want to say FML. True. However, I don't think that Bitcoin is the only opportunity, man. I think that people are going to be saying the same thing about metaverses in 20 years from now. I think that people are going to be saying the same thing about a lot of stuff 20 years from now. So the good news is we are adults. We have money. We can spend it on whatever we want. And some of those things will be good things. Some of those things will be bad things. Patrick, welcome, Rich. Here's your complimentary hot dog with the dip and shove. You take the hot dog and you dip it and then you shove it. The complimentary lick and stick. Thank you very much for the... thank you very much, Tip. And we've got... oh, jeez. We've got a drink to wash it all down. Thank you very much for the authorized dip and shove, the lick and stick, and the good old hydration. Appreciate you, Pat. And Rich, there you go, man. That's your welcome. That's your welcome right there. Did he just call me an adult? I'm offended. Dark Bro, I think I don't know. Did I say you're an adult? I meant you have adult money. That's what I meant. You've got adult money, and you can do whatever you want with it. I can't even remember what I have for... that's why I said put it in your calendar, dude. That's why I said put it in your calendar. Take your phone out right now and either do April or May of 2024, and then we will be good to go. We'll be good to go. April or May of 2024. It's going to be solid. That's the year I'm running for president, isn't it? Yeah. We're going to make 2024 to 2028 the best years ever. Yeah, dude. We'll make it happen. Clay Bro, any information on the amount of burns from the Shib game? Zero whatsoever, man. So I was looking into Shiba Inu coin a little bit earlier today, and Shitoshi has been very quiet. The Shib Twitter has been very quiet. Literally nobody's talking. Marcy Jastro not even tweeting anything about the metaverse. God, what's that? William Volk not even too excited about the game right now. Just kind of crickets out there in Shiba Inu coin land. And I think that's one of the reasons we see price action like this, man, where you got no trades for minutes on end, is because we don't have a lot of excitement and a lot of information flowing out there. Roulette Wheel says, I'm glad I'm not a billionaire. I would spend a lot of it on a Chinese massage? Okay, man. If you get $1 billion, you could spend a lot of money. You could get a massage every day for the rest of your life if you wanted to. Patrick! Party foul! I don't even know what that means, but drink! Thank you very much for the super chat, Pat. Oh my gosh, dude. I don't know what a party foul is, but I like it because it comes with authorized hydration. Thank you very much, dude. AMC Trapper in the house, PP. Yes, Trap. Clay Bro, you have traveled through time. Last month, you were at my Time Travelers party. I'm mailing your invitation next June with instructions on how to get there. See you in the future. Past. I have no idea what is going on right now, Frank. But I think that's good. If I don't know, because I will know, and then I'll tell myself, nah, I don't know, man. I don't know. But I will attend this party, Frank. I promise I will. JJ! Does Rich know you're Bat? Man. I don't know, Rich. I'm Batman. I'm Batman. Rich, I am Batman, dude. If you did not know that, you know it now. JJ, dude, thank you very much for the super chat. Absolutely loving it. You guys have never heard a better I'm Batman voice than that. I know you haven't. That is epic right there. JJ, Pat, appreciate both you guys, man. Absolutely loving it. Roulette Wheel, Susie Kim's Korean Massage in Warren, Ohio. You are welcome in advance. Tim knows, man. Tim knows the place is Roulette Wheel. That's all you gotta do is go over to Warren, go to Susie Kim's, ask for Susie yourself, and you're good to go, man. You're good to go. Sounds perfect. My gosh, dude. How does Tim know about the best? Tim, how do you know about the best massage places that are out there? Oh, well, I guess that's that old man advice, right, Tim? It's the old man advice. Little market recap, guys. AMC doing absolutely nothing after hours. Shiba Inu coin basically sitting sideways, bouncing between 928, 931, 3 points per coin on Shiba Inu coin, about as boring as can be. GameStop doing absolutely nothing after hours. Bitcoin been sitting, trending on this line right here, just treading water, trying to stay above it for the last, my goodness, like 3 hours here. Since it began running at 1:30, stopped running about 2:30, and for the last 2 hours, it's just been sitting sideways. So no real action on Bitcoin, sitting sideways over the last 2 hours, using this, what is this level here? 1730, 1740 as a very strong level of support. So we'll see what happens there with Bitcoin, but it seems to be treading water at 1740. And all of the cryptocurrencies kind of sitting sideways when you zoom out on them. Not a ton of action after the little afternoon rally they had with Jerome Powell speaking some sweet nothings into our ear. Overall stock market really just sitting sideways after hours as well. No huge earnings or anything from these companies driving prices in either direction. Just a lot of stagnation and a lot of quiet activity going on in after hours trading right now. Going to retest this level of support here on Bitcoin. We'll see if it holds. We'll see if it breaks. We'll see what it does. Let's see. Dark Bro. Okay, just because I am curious, what are some fun items that you would spend $1 billion on? I'll go first. Lamborghini Veneno. Don't even know, a decent-sized house. No mansions and a yacht. Interesting. A yacht, I don't know, man. A yacht would be cool, but a yacht you would need a crew on, which you get $1 billion. I guess that would be sweet. I think if you had $1 billion, right, the house that you stay in would be great. A yacht, yes, would be pretty sweet, but in all honesty, I'd probably rather have a beach house, or I would rather, I'd rather just, like, vacation to some houses. Because honestly, by the time you pay the crew and all of that stuff, I'd still be thinking about money, right? By the time you do all that, you're either going to the same yacht every time, or you're going to the same beach house every time. I don't know if it would necessarily need to be a yacht. Maybe a boat at a beach house would be pretty sweet. Or, you know, just do some sort of, like an Airbnb vacation rental that includes a boat or whatever you wanted to do there. So definitely, a solid house, because where you live is where you spend all your time, and you want to make sure that that's the best. I don't know if I would go a Lamborghini or not. I think, Corvette, Mustang, some stuff like that would be pretty sweet to have. But one of the things too, if you're going to be traveling to these beach houses and so on, instead of having a yacht, I think I would rather fly private. I think I'd rather have, either if you buy a private jet or hire out a private jet. I think that would be, to me, better than, like, the journey to the destination would be more comfortable, because then you could change up your destination and all that stuff. So that would be something that I would think there. Definitely old man advice. I like it, Tim. Hear any more on ShibaSwap 2.0? Pull my Shib and bone off ShibaSwap. Anthony, I have not heard anything more on ShibaSwap 2.0, man. No, I have not heard that mentioned in a long time. Hey, bro, do you believe in the Santa Claus rally? So I do believe in the Santa Claus rally, right? Do I believe it's going to happen this year? Whew. With today's good news, I think it's a possibility. I do think it's a possibility with Jerome Powell kind of priming the market. If the December rate hike comes in and it comes in at 25 or 50 basis points, yeah, I do think that we could see a decent rally throughout December. But by decent rally, I do not mean new all-time highs or anything like that, man. I do not mean, it's the beginning of the bull market or starting to see some, 50, 60% gains across the board. I think that we could see a rally, but I don't know how big it'll be. A farm, horses, live on animal... live farm animal caretaker, my gosh, charity, and I don't know what else I would spend $1 billion on. $1 billion is a lot of money. You're not going to be able to spend $1 billion on a jet and a yacht and a house and stuff like that. You're going to have so much money left over. It would be absolutely crazy. Patrick, thank you very much for the super chat. Pat says, roulette wheel, happy ending Chinese massage fund. Let's get, everybody loves, man, a fairy tale happy ending. So yes, roulette wheel. I hope that the massage, it does make you very happy, and it is well worth your time. So Pat, dude, thank you very much for that super chat. We're starting a fund for roulette wheels, happy ending Chinese massage fund. Perfect. I like it, dude. If a yacht didn't come with a PS5, I wouldn't want it. Well, forget it, man. Forget it. I've never played a PS5 in my... I've never even seen a PS5 in my entire life. The Lambo yacht, only 2 people needed. There you go, man. Cassie, farming is a good life, but don't confuse farming with rescue ranch. Farms make food, rescue ranches make pets. There you go, man. Farms do make food. Tim says farms do make food because I just bought a bunch of bacon pigs yesterday, so we're gonna be making a lot of food. I would want to use Kia Forte, not IKA Forte. Use Kia Forte, man. I like it. DD214. I know where you can get one of those, man. I know where you can get one of those. I'll even sign the darn glove box. Tim's $1 billion goal, a fire truck, automatic weapons, commercial grade fireworks. After I leave so much generational wealth, I would be a legend forever. Tim, nice, man. That does sound pretty sweet. Tim knows what he wants. Clear, technically, you already attended the last party last month. You're not thinking fifth dimensionally. I am not thinking fifth dimensionally, man. Maybe I was thinking fifth dimensionally while I was at the party, but right now I'm just on like a 2-dimension, man. I'm on a 2-dimension timeline with my thought process, and it's not good. So I need to increase. I need to increase my dimensions there, and start thinking fifth dimension again. I don't even know what the fifth dimension is. I used to have a farm and some animals that became pets. Yes, well, man, as soon as those animals become pets, then you're no longer. Technically, you still could consider it a farm, right? I guess it's still considered a farm. 8 more to go. Roulette wheel. Oh, for the dollars. That's what he needs. He's got $2. Is that what it is? 9. Yeah. 9. Yeah, I think he needs $2. He's got $2, and he needs $999,999,998 left. Juana! Thank you very much. Juana, yo quiero tu helado. Yo quiero tu helado. Juana, yo quiero tu helado. It's the best flavor. Juana, thank you very much. Muchas gracias por el helado. Thank you very much for the helado, Juana. Did I say that right? Juana, did I get that right? Is my Spanish improving? I need to know. Juana, is it getting better? Thank you very much for the ice cream. Bugatti Veyron. My gosh. Bugattis are nice. Bugattis are expensive, though. I don't know if I would want a $2 million car. What did the Fed say? I missed it. YNB fight. So Jerome Powell is speaking today, and Jerome Powell basically said that they could slow down interest rates as soon as December. Slow down the interest rate hike as soon as December. That doesn't mean that interest rates are going to decrease. That means that we may see a 50 basis point increase as opposed to 75 basis point increase. So now that the market's kind of priming in a 50 basis point increase, if we do get a 75 basis point increase in December, expect declines, please. So he said that, and he also said a lot of people are anticipating that we may peak at an interest rate level, Fed rate at 5%. And the first 2 interest rate hikes in 2023 could be around 25 basis points. So a lot of people are anticipating a slowing of the interest rate hikes, and therefore the market is rallying on that news there. Other than that, dude, there wasn't much said, but it's promising that the interest rate hikes may be coming to an end soon. Fifth dimension is when you have too much from a fifth, and it changes your perception of reality. A fifth. I don't even know what a fifth is, dude, but it sounds like Pat is correct on that. Sounds like Pat's correct. Actually, what I really want is a Dodge Demon with bulletproof glass, armored up, and 5-bedroom, 2-bath house with a big shop with all the toys and a private plane and a vacation house in somewhere. Yeah, that actually sounds pretty sweet too, Dark Bro. That sounds pretty sweet. I'm slightly dyslexic. I mean, dyslexic. Yes, backwards. Gotcha. DD214. I actually could read that. Chocolate is the best flavor. Juana. Well, Juana and I are going to share some chocolate ice cream sometime. I'll tell you that. So I did some evaluation on the long-term retirement portfolio, likely swapping out CSX, GWRS, and land. Dividends are weak, looking for more value. I like it, Frank. Not only does Frank have his portfolio there, he's keeping us updated on what's in his portfolio. Yo quiero Taco Bell. Yo quiero tu helado, Juana. Roulette Wheel wants Taco Bell, and I want Juana's ice cream. My first purchase would be an MK19 automatic 40mm grenade launcher. It's a freaking grenade machine gun. Tim, dude, if you get one of those, can you invite me? Can you invite me over to watch you shoot that thing? I would like to see that. Tim, you can be my funnel. Yes, Tim. I would like to hang out with Tim while he's shooting that thing. That would be sweet. You need a lot more eye contact with that lick. I do. Outdoor Smile. There was very little eye contact with that lick right there. There's very little eye. It's not the lick and stick. So I gotta improve my ice cream lick because it was lacking the eye contact for sure. I'll come to your house. Yes, I will too, Dark Bro. 1 billion. I'm buying Airwolf. I have no idea what Airwolf is, but it sounds sweet. Someone say a fifth? Yeah, Pat said a fifth. Fifth is something. I don't know a fifth of what, but I don't know what the fifth is, but definitely a fifth of something. Bitcoin beginning to form a little bit of a channel in this area, touching some afternoon highs around here and some afternoon lows around here. It is a tight channel, $50 channel on Bitcoin, but nonetheless, this is what we're seeing play out in the afternoon here. We're going to have to see if either one of these levels is broken, but 17,000 seems to be a decent level of support now. So if we're able to maintain levels above 17,000, that's going to be pretty... we don't need that. Just get rid of that. Let's see where we're at here. Come back down in this area, and we got a lot of lines on this chart. Oh, both of these are for today. So, yes, we are right at this level of resistance right now. I don't know if we break back above it and sustain it or not. Was it Old Rounder or who was it that was thinking about shorting Bitcoin earlier after the bounce off? I mean, it's still right there at that resistance level. So we might see a break up. But if we don't, dude, if it continues to bounce off this resistance, could be a pretty decent time to be looking at that. But this is our channel that we got going on right now. Basically 15,500, 15,700 here, up to 17,000 on Bitcoin, forming as a pretty strong channel. And look, this is already a month. This is already a month long, going from the beginning of November here to the end of November. The previous, I guess, bottoms or the previous levels of support lasted a very long time as well. So June all the way through, basically November here, 5 months of basically a Bitcoin bottom there. And then this one was not nearly as long. This one lasted about 1 month. So we should be, if we start to retest those $15,000 lows on Bitcoin again and be in the 1 month period, we're going to have to watch out and make sure that it doesn't drop down below in the next week sometime and break this level to the downside. Because we had 1 month period back in May. All right, cleaned up that graph a little bit. All right, looks a little better. Zoom back in on Bitcoin there. We'll keep it good. $17,084 on Bitcoin right now. Shiba Inu coin jumping back up a little bit to $934. Dogecoin sitting at $10,555. Shiba Inu coin $934. And Ethereum $1,294. Any of you guys watched that video on KuCoin's dual investments yesterday? Frank's Airwolf Fund, courtesy of Stringfellow Hawk. Pat, I have no idea what Stringfellow Hawk or an air. I gotta look up Airwolf. I gotta see what that is. Did you just leave money on the table? Drink, man. Thank you very much, Patrick. Oh, man. That was actually a really good drink. That one hit the spot, man. That one hit the spot. Who had Q3 calls today? Buy me something. I'm telling you, dude. I'm telling you. Outdoor Smile. Did you see the QQQ calls? Look at this, man. They were a penny earlier. You could have bought them for 2 or 3 cents and rode them all the way up to above $2. What? I mean, this is $3 here after hours, but you could have rode them up to over $2 per contract. 100x your money. $100, dude, turns into 10 stinking grand. My gosh. Dude, I think I'm just going to start, honestly, I think I'm just going to start throwing $100 every Fed meeting and every time Jerome Powell talks. I'm going to buy a $100 call, I'm going to buy a $100 put for the 2 cent mark and just let it roll. Every time, dude. Every time. I think that's going to be my new strategy. Every time they talk. I'll probably miss 3 out of 4 talks. But then that 4th one that hits. Well, no. Technically, you wouldn't miss it because you'd be playing both ways. It's just you'd lose 100% of your value on one of them. And then the other one, you would have to at least double your money, which you do almost every single time. I think that's going to be my new strategy. Anytime Jerome Powell talks, I'm just going to play it because this is too wild here. That's too wild. Way too many gains. Bitcoin might be breaking out, guys. Bitcoin jumping above that intraday channel. 17,103 points. Dollars, not points on Bitcoin. Bear market is finished. So D, some people are saying the bear market is finished. I don't necessarily think that we've seen the signs for a bull market to be in, but we could be seeing the signs for a bull market to begin. One of the first signs you need for a bull market is falling inflation. And you're better off when inflation is low. So right now, falling inflation is a good sign. We do not yet have low or falling interest rates. Those are actually going to continue increasing. So that's not necessarily an indicator that we're having a bull market return yet. Inflation is not looking good. Companies' earnings are not increasing at the moment, so that's something else that we also have to look at too. Don't even know what is going on. Had to hop off. Now back on before we leave. Y'all know me, blowing leaves since I'm off work. Clay, think about that. Pat, sharing the wealth here all week. Nice, man. This dude not only blows leaves while he's at work, he goes home and blows leaves too. Chris is showing his dedication to his craft, constantly leaf blowing, and Chris has got to have the best yard in town, man. Chris has got to have the best yard in town. No leaves whatsoever in that man's yard there. Clidro letting it roll past 10%.
Sorry, couldn't help myself. 10, man. You know I might be tempted to take it at 10%. I actually might be tempted to take it at 10%.
Clip, speaking directly into your brain. Cracking open that imagination like a scrambled egg. Yes, you are, man. Yes, you are, Chris. Did I do good, man? Did I understand that you were cleaning up your yard after work? After a hard day's work, dude, you went home and cleaned up your yard? Dedication to your craft, dude. I like it. I threw up earlier, thanks.
Why, man? Why did you throw up earlier? Don't do that.
Jebly! Thank you very much for the super chat. LUNC is going to be at $170 tomorrow. Okay, now I'm being like crypto prophecy people that say God told me the Shib will be at $70 by December. Jebly, I don't believe you that Terra Luna Classic is going to be at $170 tomorrow, but I will tell you this. If it is, I am going to be thrilled, my friend. I am going to be thrilled. Please, 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 let Shiba Inu coin go to $70 and let Terra Luna Classic go to $170. Oh my gosh. Let it, oh my gosh, let it happen. Please let it happen. Hey man, do you know if Coinbase Pro merging with Coinbase One? I actually have not seen anything on that semi-pro. I haven't seen anything on that. Hey bro, what date were those 2 cent SPY calls? I was looking at the QQQ, man. I was looking at the QQQ, and those were for today's expiration. They should have been. Came out to the... not what I wanted to click on. Came out to the QQQ here. These are, yes, November 30th, 2022 calls here. They were... Gosh, dude. With after hours trading going on right now, which I don't even know why they're still moving after hours here. But 8,000% gains right now. The 290s on today's expiration, going from 2 cents, dude. It shows a 1 cent bottom, but I'm pretty sure that that's the sell price. And then you would have been buying for 2 or 3 cents, but depending on what the spread was. So, dude, going from 2 cents to $3.34 right now. I think they closed the day around $2 though. Absolutely wild, man. Wild gains today. All right, back here. We're good to go. Chris and Clay, leaf blowing fund. Hey, Chris, we're gonna start a business, man. We're gonna be able to start a business blowing leaves. Sounds good. I got a leaf blower. Sounds like you got a leaf blower. Both going into business. I like it, Patrick. Thank you very much for the clay bro blower. That's hard to say. It's like almost like a clay blower. The clay blower leaf fund. I like it. The clay blower leaf fund. Chris, man, you in? We're gonna be blowing leaves. Mayo. Oh my goodness, Mayo. I have not seen you in a long while. How have you been, Mayo? I'm so glad to see you in here right now, Mayo. I hope you're having a great day today. See everyone later. Chris, enjoy. Oh my gosh. It is 5 o'clock. I don't believe that it went so fast today. The live stream absolutely flew by. Guys, get your name in the chat right now. We'll do some shout outs. Chris, thank you for letting me know it's 5 o'clock, dude, because I was going to start going on and on and on and on and on. I was going to keep going, man. Guys, get your name in the chat right now. Do some shout outs. Say hello to Miss Mayo there if you guys want. We'll do these shout outs, and we will be back tonight with videos at 7 p.m., videos at 8 p.m. I am begging you guys at this point. Watch the videos. My goodness, you have no idea how low views are right now. It is ridiculous. It's not just me. It's literally everybody in the industry. If you look at all these guys, views are just getting massacred at the moment because people are so fed up with this bear market. Please watch the videos. Watch them twice if you want. Click one of the, what do they call those things? The playlists, if you guys want to do that. Let it play for a while. But nonetheless, Chloe, shout out to you. Dark Bro, man. Pat, see ya later. Lyman Dave, Old Rounder. Boom, baby. I don't know if Crypto Rocketeer's in here. Boom, baby. We got Frank King Mamba, Chloe, and Clay Bro. If I'm being honest, not well. Missed the bros. Well, glad you're in here. And, I mean, hopefully you are okay, though. Like, you're not doing well because you missed us. But, if you're honestly not doing well, Chloe, I hope everything's okay. Just bought some FTM, very bullish. FTM was up a little bit earlier, DRB. I did see that it was doing pretty well today. Gorilla Invictus, we'll see you later. Anthony, Casey, see you later, man. Hopefully you're having a good week. Semi-Pro, Jebly, peace, DRB. Bye, bros. Bye, Chloe. We got Dark Bro, the franchise, DD214. Rich, thank you very much for grabbing that green name today. Jay, Tim, Frank, adios, my Wana. Adios, my Wana. Have a wonderful day today, Wana. All of you guys, you know what time it is. So you want to say it with me, say it with me. Until the next time, hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day. This dude always coming in late, man. This dude always coming in late. I don't even know how to do a kangaroo, but thank you very much. Outdoor Smile. I was gonna bounce. I don't need my shirt like popping up when I bounce or anything. Outdoor Smile. Thank you very much for the bing, 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 bing. Thank you very much for the super chat. Loving it, Outdoor Smile. Enjoy the rest of your day. You guys know what time it is. You want to say it with me? Say it with me. Till the next time, hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day. Oink, 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 oink. Oink, 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 oink. Tim, man, thank you very much for the super chat. Absolutely loving it, man. You guys are absolutely wild too. Tim, hopefully all of your pigs are doing well. Are your pigs doing well? Tim, I hope your pigs are doing well, man. And they're going to make a lot of baby pigs for you to make a lot of money on bacon, man. Chloe, if you want to join the Discord, I'll get you a link really quick and throw it in the chat so you can join the Discord. If you... Where's Discord at? Oh, here it is. If you want to join the Discord, there it is, Chloe. Should be link in the description is probably broken. It's probably old. Fun fact, it's legal to own a kangaroo in the majority of the U.S. states. I did not know that, Cassie. Click post the link to the Discord. Yes, I did. It says the link is expired. The link is expired. That one's good right there. Juana is saying, that's my future husband. Yeah, Juana, I'm very sorry. I'm very sorry if I embarrassed you and your family. But, hey, man, I got to do me, you know? Mention neighbor owns a kangaroo. Johnstontown. I wouldn't have it any other way, man. Now, Chloe is in the Discord. Just saw her show up there. Absolutely perfect. Shout outs to Lyman Dave, Cassie, D's, King Mamba, Chloe, Clay. Oh, Clay, bro, that's me. DD214, Johnstontown. I'm in there. Perfect. Thank you, Chloe. Yes, I see you in there. You guys know what time it is. You want to say it with me? Say it with me. Till the next time. Hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day.